Hey guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, today I am going to show you my scrunchie collection. So I bought I bought all of my scrunchies from the clothing store Ardennes. So yeah, let's just get right into it.
It's your Monday morning anthem. Alarm clock throwing tantrums.
Alrighty, so scrunchie number one. It is a gray kind of color, and this scrunchie has a sort of chevron texture to it. The next one is a red and white one, and it has some vertical or horizontal stripes to it, and yeah. This is a navy blue scrunchie that has some horizontal or vertical textured lines to it. And then we have a simple black scrunchie that is similar to the gray one, and this one also has some chevron texture to it. The next one has a plaid pattern on it, a black, red, and white pattern to it, and yeah. Next we got a red one that is similar to the navy blue one, so it has some stripes texture to it. Then we got this white one, which is also similar to the gray and black one, so it has some chevron texture to it as well. And then we got this bluish grayish scrunchie, and it has a knot up here, so it looks like you're wearing a bow when you put it on, and yeah, I thought this was really cute. Then we got another knotted scrunchie, and this one is a black and white striped one. So yeah. The next one is also similar to the last two. This one is much smaller, and it just has white and blue stripes to it. Next, we got another plaid-ish kind of scrunchie, and this color is kind of beige-ish, rose goldish. Yeah, kind of like a tablecloth, not gonna lie, but it's really cute. And lastly, we got another plaid scrunchie, which is in black and white. So yeah, those are all my scrunchies. Yeah, I love scrunchies so much, so I am definitely going to be getting some more. And yeah, thanks all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!
I'm living like I got so many chances. I forgot I only had one. It could be worse, I got it so good. Always showing up in my